In front of me is Nubia Neo 5G, and today I would like to show you how you can add emergency contacts on this device. Begin by opening Settings and scrolling down to access Safety and Emergency. Then tap on Emergency Contacts right away and hit Add Contact. Then click on the one that you wish to set up and do exactly the same to the other ones you need. Now to remove one of them, use this X next to the one that you wish to get rid of and confirm your choice in the pop-up. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!